Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw another dinosaur from kind of Jurassic World, and we are going to go over how to draw Rajasaurus. It is a theropod, similar to Carnotaurus. Let's go over it. First thing I'm going to do here, it's going to be real easy, by the way. So we're going to start over here with kind of the head area. So right here, I'm going to curve around the front of the mouth, like so. We're going to go back along the flat side of the head. And so one thing that he has is a horn at the top of the head. A very distinct horn. Very small horn. Excuse me. Hiccuped. I'm going to go back over here now. Down the back of the head. It's going to go down the back of the head. Along the back. See the base of the neck. We're going to draw the whole back area down. Back area right here. And down to the tail area. Okay. So far, so good. Line right here, a very thin line to kind of show the 3D-ness of that horn. And we're going to go down to the mouth area. Pulling in. So the reason I draw the line all the way down is so that the character won't go off the page, right? We don't want the dinosaur to go off the page. Going to go right here for the part of the mouth. Up. Right on. Alrighty. So let's draw that's the edge of the mouth here. Let's draw the eye. Curve right there. And then line underneath for the underside of the eye. Nostril right here. Line. Alrighty. Line underneath. Curve underneath here for the lower portion of the mouth. Back over here. And we're going to draw the back side of the mouth up there. Let's go over here to the lower jaw. Pull a line down to give the lower jaw some thickness. And pulling up over here at an angle. And his lower jaw is relatively small. It's not like a T-Rex jaw. Okay, it looks kind of weird like that, right? It looks like a Muppet. So let's draw the teeth in here. So right here, triangle going down for the lower portion of the teeth. Back over here, right here as well. And we can draw the line right there for the tongue. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I go over dinosaurs all the time. And if you have a dinosaur you want me to go over how to draw, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Let's go over here. Pretty thick neck. Downward right there. Curve over here. That's going to be where the arm is going to be out the front. And curve underneath for the lower part of the body. Let's go over here to the leg. Maybe around this point, the hind leg. So let's mark it right there. Down, right there. All right, curve right there. We're curving past the knee, down over here to the heel area, downward. And then downward for this chicken-like foot. Pulling up over here. That's the heel. Calf. And curve up for the leg on this side. So now that we have the first leg here, we can kind of get into this. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like dinosaurs like I do. I'm a huge dinosaur fan, and one day I want to make like a how to draw dinosaurs book really badly. Line right there for the tail. Now that we have this leg in there. Cool. So obviously what's missing, right? We're going to do the curvature of the arm over here where it comes out, and the arm is not as small as a Carnotaurus arms, right? If you're seeing a Carnotaurus arm, it's tiny. It's not small like that, but it is pretty small right there. So it's small. It seems to be less. So now the far side arm seems to be a little less durable than the T-Rex arms too. The hang there, they're kind of weird. And let's take care of the hind leg as well. which is basically, you know, we're just more or less kind of copying over our own, the leg on that side. Line underneath, line underneath. Now we draw some thin lines right here from the throat, just to kind of thin right here because there's some folding, and this gives it that, see, just thin lines, muscular detail that we definitely need. Let's go, same thing over here under the eye. If you look at the eye right here, I'm gonna draw a thin line under the eye, because right there for the pupil and iris, curve down, and then now everything's gonna be thin lines right here, everything. So let's just say we can go over here and create a design, right? The color, right, was unknown, so draw like these little patchy marks here on our Rajasaurus. And curve back here. And so, like that. Line. Again, I'm just thinking about like, hey, are there like crinkles in the skin? Things of that sort. Let's draw maybe a dark line right there. You know, right there. Obviously for the sun, it's going to be hitting right. And this is more of like a stylized thing, right? We're adding shadows right here under the belly here. And again, leaving that horn prominent there. Whew. And you can draw little thin stuff. Anyways, I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing. Don't forget, we have a lot of free resources in the description. Go check that out. There's tons of free stuff there for you. There's a free How to Draw Cute ebook. There are programs on anatomy. Those are on Skillshare. Go take a look at that. And we have books that we sell on Amazon. But thank you very much. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. And please comment. I'm trying to really grow the channel more and really kind of reach out and say hi to people. So if you have anything to say, I want to hear it. I will talk to you guys next time. You can also find me on Instagram. Thank you so much. I will see you later. See you later, Art Addicts. That was Rajasaurus. See you later.